In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charm on Microsoft Teams. To begin this process, your first action will be to navigate to the Calendar section within your Microsoft Teams application. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand side of your Teams window, represented by a calendar-like icon. This is your central hub for all scheduled meetings, appointments, and events. Clicking it will open your full calendar view, displaying your week or month at a glance, allowing you to see your commitments clearly. It's essential to ensure you're logged into the correct Teams account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. This calendar view is the foundational step, providing access to all your individual meeting instances, which we'll need to interact with to personalize them with a charm. Locate that calendar icon and give it a click to proceed. With your calendar view now open and displaying your scheduled events, the next crucial action is to identify and interact with a specific meeting. You can choose any meeting from your calendar list or grid. The process for adding a charm remains consistent across all of them. Simply hover your mouse cursor over the meeting entry you'd like to customize. Instead of a standard left click, which would typically open meeting details, you need to perform a right click on that selected meeting. This action is important because it reveals a context menu, a small pop-up list of options directly related to the item you clicked. This menu is your gateway to various administrative and customization features. Ensure your right click is precise, as this menu contains the specific option we need to introduce our meeting charm. Once you've successfully executed that right click on your selected meeting, a contextual menu will promptly appear on your screen, presenting a range of options pertinent to that specific event. Amongst these choices, you will clearly see an option labeled Charm. The Charm feature in Microsoft Teams is designed to add a unique visual identifier or a small graphic to your meeting. Think of it as a quick, expressive tag that helps your meeting stand out in your busy calendar or signifies its purpose without needing to open full details. It's a fantastic way to categorize, prioritize, or simply personalize your engagements. Carefully scan the menu for the Charm option. It's usually quite prominently displayed. Once located, simply left-click on Charm to proceed to the next stage, where you'll select the exact visual element you wish to apply. After clicking on Charm, you will typically be presented with a new panel or pop-up window, showcasing a diverse gallery of available charms. These charms are small, visually appealing icons or graphics that you can associate with your meeting. The selection often includes various symbols, perhaps a star for a high-priority meeting, a calendar icon for a general appointment, a light bulb for a creative session, or emojis to convey a specific sentiment or topic. Take your time to explore these options. The goal is to select a charm that either reflects your meeting's nature and purpose, helps you quickly identify it, or simply adds a personal touch you enjoy. Once you've found the perfect charm, simply click on it. This final action will confirm your choice and immediately apply the charm to your meeting, making it instantly visible in your Microsoft Teams calendar. And just like that, you've successfully added a bit of personality to your schedule. And that's it. You've successfully added a charm to your Microsoft Teams meeting. This simple feature helps to personalize your calendar, making important events stand out and easier to identify at a glance. Enjoy making your Teams calendar a little more expressive and organized. Thanks for watching.